Title: The Blue Jewel, Earth's Genesis in the Vastness of the Universe. Amidst countless stars and galaxies, a tiny cloud of dust and gas began to coalesce. This cosmic nursery, situated in a distant corner of the Milky Way galaxy, would eventually give birth to a remarkable planet. Earth. Billions of years ago, a nearby supernova's shockwave passed through the interstellar cloud, triggering the collapse of gas and dust under the force of gravity. As the cloud contracted, it started to spin, forming a rotating disk called the protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, countless tiny particles collided and stuck together, gradually forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. One of these planetesimals, emerging from the churning debris, was destined to become Earth. It began to accumulate more and more material from the surrounding disk, growing in size and mass. Early on, it was a seething ball of molten rock and metal, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets from the chaotic surroundings. As the young Earth grew, it differentiated into layers. Heavier elements like iron sank towards the center, forming a dense core. Above the core, a mantle of molten rock churned and circulated, releasing energy from the planet's radioactive decay. The outer layer, the thin crust, was the coolest and solidified as it cooled. During this intense period of formation, Earth was subject to a relentless series of cataclysmic events. To unfold, around 4.5 billion years ago, it experienced a colossal impact with another massive body called Theia. This collision was so powerful that it caused a chunk of Earth's mantle and debris from the ejected into space, ultimately coalescing to form the Moon. With time, the rate of bombardment decreased, and the young Earth began to stabilize. Water vapor and gases emitted from volcanic activity started to accumulate in its atmosphere. As Earth cooled further, water condensed and fell as rain, filling vast basins and forming the first oceans. The early atmosphere was primarily composed of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. However, life as we know, it could not thrive in such a harsh environment. It took another remarkable event to shape Earth's future: the emergence of photosynthetic microorganisms. These ancient life forms harnessed the energy of the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen through photosynthesis. Over millions of years, they transformed Earth's atmosphere, enriching it with oxygen, which allowed for the evolution of more complex life forms. Earth's surface, once dominated by barren rock, transformed into lush landscapes teeming with diverse ecosystems. From the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks of mountains, life flourished, paving the way for the breathtaking biodiversity we know today. Throughout its history, Earth has experienced countless changes, from mass extinctions to ice ages, shaping and reshaping the planet's surface. Yet, life has shown remarkable resilience, adapting and evolving to the ever-changing conditions. And so, the blue jewel called Earth continues to spin through the cosmos, a testament to the grandeur of the universe's ability to shape and sustain life. It remains a precious oasis, unique in its beauty, where life thrives and the story of our home in the cosmos continues.